All right, this is the neighborhood. This is the house 2858 Lindinwood. And about the only thing that really is a detractor is the power lines in the back. The house looks nice, no foundation issues that I saw. Coming in through the front door, you've got this little study area, extra room. Coming on in, this is the kitchen area. All right, nice set of cabinets, good shape, both top and bottom for the most part. Refrigerator, I think it does convey, but I'm not sure. Pantry area. And over here, it's laundry. Little storage area. Into the garage. Water softener. Water tank. Must have had something going on with the smell. We got a lot of heavy deodorizer in there, probably animals, because they have that little vent there, I would guess. Kind of odd. Maybe it was a meth lab. I was kidding. Okay. Into the living area, which I guess you would make with the entertainment area, small kitchen area. You've got command center there. In the backyard, here's where we're gonna see the power lines. There's your neighbor on one side. Here's a nice deck. Power lines there. That's the detractor. Not so much probably for rental, but definitely for resale. That decreases the value of the home comparatively to others. Small half bath. Here's the primary bedroom. Looks like it might be about a 14 by 17, guess. Single vanity on the primary bathroom. Shower tub combination, but with nice tile. Good shape. And a nice size walk-in closet. And go on up the stairs. Carpet is in really good shape. Walls are in great shape. All the hardware fixtures seem to be in great shape as well. Coming off over here to the right, the left, is a secondary bedroom. Secondary bedroom. And all of them do have these closets. And the third secondary bedroom over here. Probably the larger of the three with the sliding closet door. And then just a multi-purpose room here, which is nice. Probably put up a TV or game room or that sort of thing. And then the secondary bathroom is here. So this would be a 4, 2.5. Cabinets in good shape, floors seem to be in good shape. Yeah, so this looks like a nice home. Probably good value for what they're asking. It has an FHA loan, so not a VA loan assumable. But that's it in a nutshell. Signing off.